Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an RGBW decorative lamp. The materials required are a plastic bottle which is wasted and an RGBW LED strip and controller. So can you see, and it has an IR receiver also. The RGBW LED strip controller sets remote and a 12-volt linear power supply. It is 1 amp. So let's begin. So here's the LED strip, and I did the first step. And what does that means? I made the hole and stuck the double side tape. Now the thing we need to do is to thread the RGBW LED strip onto the bottle completely. So I just stick it, and I stick the RGBW LED strip controller and the IR receiver here, and that's it. We made it, and we need to just power it by the 12-volt linear power supply. So I just connect it and go. So the connector had been removed, so let's join it. And can you see it? The RGBW LED strip works like a charm, and it works like a charm. So now so here's the IR receiver, and we can turn it off, on, and red. So we can change the colors. So you can also adjust the brightness of the LEDs. So I'm decreasing the brightness. Can you see the LED strip? It is dimming, and let's increase the brightness. The brightness becomes higher. And that's it for today's project. And you can also change the speed of the fade and the flash option. So can you see it? And you can also decrease the speed. So that's it for today's video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay creative, and I will see you next time.